soft there.
Kids run.
I'm only getting one, it needs to be shared. I'm only getting one.
Drinking all of it on purpose.
Look at it. Yeah. Looks like asteroids, doesn't it?
Wait, some of them are going down.
Yeah. Oh, where'd they go?
Where are they going? Oh, they're still there.
Once upon a time, in the ancient dream time of the Yagara-Turrbal people in Brisbane, in the trailing stars of the Milky Way, the Rainbow Serpent Mundagara traversed the heavens, its iridescent scale shimmering with colours of creation. With each graceful ancient land of Brisbane with a thunderous roar. The impact echoed across the landscape, awakening the spirits that slumbered beneath the earth. Celestial collision emerged Will Whimper, the angry spirit wind, whose ferocious howls threatened to unleash chaos upon the land. Sensing the impending danger, the creatures looked to their wise elder, Kumibugura, the knowledge holder, for guidance. Protect everyone! Use your frilled neck! Kumibugura's voice rang out. The neck lizard answered the call, spreading his magnificent frill wide to shield his kin from Will Whimper's fury.
Looks like it almost flies over the brain.
Will Whimper, the windstorm near Rainbow Street Parklands, Cootha, the honeybee, towering up Mount Cootha, Maril, the old auntie at Spring Hill, and Binangurang, the frill-neck lizard at Highgate Hill. The spirit of the Dreamtime lives on. The legend of the Rainbow Serpent Mundagara and the great battle of Will Whimper, the wind spirit, became etched.
400?